Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with Kuvings B1700. First, gather your favorite frozen fruits like berries or mango. Make sure your Kuvings B1700 is clean and ready. Cut any larger fruits into smaller, manageable pieces, ideally about 1 inch in size, to ensure smooth processing. Now, let's start blending. Insert the specialized sorbet strainer into your Kuvings B1700. Begin adding your frozen fruit gradually through the wide feeding chute. If the fruit gets stuck, use the tamper to gently push it down, but avoid applying excessive force. This ensures a consistent flow. To achieve the perfect texture, you might add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a liquid, like water or fruit juice, for a creamier sorbet. Continue blending until the mixture is smooth and consistent. Be careful not to overblend, as this can make your sorbet too runny. Aim for a thick, scoopable texture. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready. Scoop it directly into chilled bowls for the best experience. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh fruit or a small sprig of mint. Remember to clean your Kuvings B1700 components right after use to maintain its performance and longevity. Enjoy your refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.